What is that popping noise? Seriously, it sounds like gunshots.
Brody, look. Brody. Wow. And it's no wonder I can't get any work done downstairs. Boys, I gotta go do work and do my YouTube video. And all I hear downstairs is pop, pop. Alright, I gotta go say bye-bye.
Papa.
Bye-bye.
I gotta think about getting an office at some point. All right, guys, let's dive in here to the S&P 500 ahead of Brexit. So the S&P is actually holding pretty well ahead of Thursday's big Brexit. I am net long the market, but you'll see I still do have the bullhorns down with the red lights on. So I think we might be heading lower after this big vote. The way I'm looking at this, guys, on the 1 hour, 60-minute S&P chart on the cash, I can count a good 5-wave move down here, followed by an A, B, C move back up. That's kind of the signature of a corrective move against an established downtrend. So let's just do a little bit of ratio analysis, CNA, and the 1272 wound up capping us. If we do a retracement of B wave compared to A, we went just south of the 78.6% retracement. So we have a bit of a resistance there. We could be rallying up here in a little counter trend move, and I'm going to be watching this very closely. I have an SPX put spread on, put credit spread with customers above me over here. I sold the 2050 put, bought the 2045. We're up a little bit of money on that trade. And depending on what happens here in wave 2, I might be looking to exit ahead of Brexit. Let's go over to the bond market. We've broken out of the 2016 wave 4 Elliott triangle. We are now pulling back in wave 2. Wave 2 could be expected to go to like the 50 to 618 retracement. So in the TLT, that's going to be right at about 133 to 132 bucks. Implied volatility is pretty pumped up here. So right now we're at a 44th percentile with an implied volatility of about 15.5%. So not bad candidate to go ahead and sell some put spreads on the downside. I'm going to be looking at that specifically if the S&P does begin to fail and we begin to move lower, move out of the put spread in the S&P, I'll move into a put spread in the bond market, and I'll be looking to carry that through Brexit. Also, we do a free webinar every Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. with MotiveWave. That's the Elliott and Fib software that I'm using here. Check below the video for a sign-up link. It's free. About 45 minutes. We take you through the best setups of the week and trades that I'm looking to do. All right? See you there, guys. You're still here? I guess you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up button or subscribe to this channel directly below, and you'll get the videos in real time. Or you're gonna have 7 years of bad luck trading and you have to babysit Jake and Brody.